Hi. Hi and welcome to our series of spoken English. We are doing part 2 of greetings with in a formal setting. Let us begin with lesson 2 and task 2. Previously we have learned in lesson 1 how to introduce and greet using formal greetings: good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and the part good night. We have also learned about introducing ourselves using how do you do, which when we meet a person for the first time. Let us see what do we have in store for us today. Today we are going to learn about when we meet someone who is unwell, how to inquire about that person's health and what to say. So when someone is unwell, we say, how are you feeling now? Okay, this is said in a setting when you either visit someone or you are talking to someone on the phone. How are you feeling now? You can also say, how are you feeling, and stop with this. Are you all right? This is an additional sentence or question that you can ask. The reply to the above these two expressions or questions can be, I'm feeling much better now. Thank you. If you want to continue the conversation, you may ask, do you need anything? The reply can be, no, thank you very much. This is usually said out of courtesy. Seeking leave, that means leaving when you are going away, or either it can be on the phone, it can also be in a physical setting that you have gone to visit someone. The expression is, may I take your leave? Or another better way of saying is, I believe you need rest. I will take your leave. And when you're actually leaving, at that moment you can say, take rest, good day. You can also make a note that you can say take care, but if the person is a formal friend, that means a business friend. Let us see one task. The situation is that you are visiting a person who has been sick for a while or who has been unwell. Ask or inquire about the person's health and then take leave. You can be formal, you can be semi-formal. Semi-formal means certain greetings of being informal can be mixed up with being formal. Let us see one sample conversation. The conversation is between two people, that is Miss Sadia and Miss Sultana. Let us see. Good afternoon, Miss Sultana. Good afternoon, Miss Sadia. How are you feeling now? I'm well, thank you. These flowers are for you. Get well soon. Thank you very much for your kind words. Do you need anything? Oh no, thank you. It is very kind of you that you came to visit me. I believe that you need rest. I'll take your leave now. Thank you once again for coming. Take rest. Thank you, I will. If you are new on my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you get the notification when I upload the next video for this series. Thank you.